Welcome back to Christina's Kitchen. Today we have wandered outside the kitchen to Findlay Market. If you're not from Cincinnati, it is Cincinnati's oldest and most iconic market. It actually opened in 1855 and is filled with butchers, florists, spice makers, you name it, they have it. Let's go take a look. All right. What I am hoping to make today is a fall-inspired risotto. And I'm hoping to find some butternut squash, pancetta, some fresh sage, and then I'll figure out what to do with all that. How idyllic this shop is. The squash. I have found it. Butternut squash is not the main event, but we want people to know it's in there. This looks like a good price. Good weight. Oh, don't fall into the squash. 3.5. Dang, she's big. Okay, we don't need that big. Let's see what this one is. Okay, that's better. Perfect. Oh, they have shallots. So we're gonna do a couple shallots. All right. Let's get some herbs. Oh, look how pretty they're packaged. Okay. I'm that weirdo that always gets like 3 back from the front. That's me. It's me. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I think we're done in the produce stand. Let's pay. Hello.
Shopping around today.
Am I shopping around?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm making a pancetta and butternut squash risotto.
You have a, what is it called?
Pancetta? Oh, guanciale. I appreciate it. The fact that it has the garlic and peppercorns, I'm gonna stick, but great sales pitch. I like it.
It's $9.34.
Okay. It would help if I follow directions.
It's difficult. Apple pay.
Thank you.
Of course, you guys have a good one.
You as well. Got double insulation going in there. Okay. Let's get some pancetta. She mentioned guanciale. Guanciale is the cheek and it's very fat. And it's great. It's a great substitute for pancetta, but that one had a lot of herbs and spices in it that I did not want to interfere with my recipe that I have in my head. But that was a very thoughtful gesture. I always feel bad for those little lobsters, you know? Poor little guys. Eye on the prize. I'm getting closer. Yes, me. Okay, yeah. Well, sure. Whoever. Okay, he got it first. He got to it. Oh my goodness. First bidder. Okay, may I please have, I would like some pancetta, please. Okay. She's pretty. We'll keep her. No, that'll do it. Say it again. I'm actually making a risotto, a pancetta and butternut squash risotto. Thank you. Add some sage. Okay, sure, why not? Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, you as well. All right, olives. Oh, I need you again. Come back. Oops. Oh, dang.
So
Is
it's a garlic stuffed queen with parmesan. And it's our stellar parmesan.
what in the world? I could see, because it's almost like that sushi roll that isn't sushi. It's like that olive that isn't an olive. I mean, it's an olive. Yeah.
This is just like a red pepper garlic.
This will be really embarrassing if I actually can't handle the heat.
It's just perfect.
I like that. Oh, it's nice. Let's do about half a pound, please. And can I mix them? Getting a refined palate. Okay, let's get back to the kitchen. I have a bag full of ingredients. I don't know if you experienced this along with me, but all the vendors here are so sweet, so willing to help, so knowledgeable, and I could spend a whole day here. It's like an amusement park for chefs or for anybody who likes food. So now we are going to go home and I am going to prepare the pancetta and butternut squash risotto from the comfort of my kitchen.